pilots. As the plane crossed the north of the Malaysian peninsula, it climbed to an unusually high altitude of 45,200 feet, about 13.7 kilometers. Then it suddenly descended, flying at a low altitude, as it passed over Penang Island, Malaysia. Experts suggested that this maneuver allowed the plane to enter radar blind spots and was done to disappear from sight. 5. Inmarsat, pings from the sky. All communication systems were off, but there was a glimmer of hope in Inmarsat's satellites. Although Malaysian military radar reported the aircraft's disappearance at 2:22 a.m., 0222, the aircraft's satellite communication link remained